We'll see. Hey Vlad. Okay, that's perfectly in place. Everything looks good. No, nothing looks expanding. Here's the chirp. The guys already covered it. They're going to do the second hand of anti-fouling now. Everything looks pretty good, pretty nice. Also, I'm looking at the sinks here, the sacrificial thingies, nuts, or whatever the name in English is, and they don't look bad at all. This actually looks good for a year, and that tells me that the Galvanic isolator that I installed is actually working really well. Prop just done now.